Aduh, ini susah nggak ya kayak di Ruby guys? Kayak di Emerald maksud gua. Primal Groudon. Oh ini sejarah ini ya, berantemnya Groudon sama Kyogre. Ini gue bakal remuk. Lo gue liat mana nyet? Because the power overwhelmed. Udah garisnya gitu dah. Degree meteorite was to the first disaster. Kok meteorite ini mega evolusi batu mega? Dari batu ya mega evolution itu ya? Batu itu ya? Cara gue turun lagi gimana itu ya guys? Oh, itu Rayquazanya coy. Final chapter. Ntar ada jalan deh dua, ke kiri sama ke kanan. Ntar cekit dulu gak sih? Ke kanan ada tangga. Ini balik lagi ya? Ada TM pak. Explosion. TM biasa aja anjir. Bisa, nggak bisa. Tuh cara ngambil itu gimana ya? Itu kayak naga deh guys. Iya gak sih guys? Wih. Nongol deket banget guys. Aduh, gimana caranya? Apa gue pakai repel ya? Gara-gara gue nongol pakai repel kayak. Oh shit. Oh shit, aja kak guys. Aduh. Gue belum nge-save pak. I've always turned my eyes up to the sky when I was so full. What about you? Have you ever had to do something like that? I have. Right. I used to watch the star like this all the time, together with Esther. We were always together in good times and in bad times. I loved her. I loved her with everything I had. But I still lost her. I want to see her. I want to be with her again. My sweet Esther. Kayaknya itu adanya ya. Dah tiba-tiba siang. Lah siang anjing. Are you serious? Makin bener kepanggil nih bro. Gokil. Rayquaza. Gokil, datang loh. Ular keket hijau ini.